In the last video it was Cocoa Pops. In this video, an iron and an ironing board. Today is the day before OhSoRetro, and on Monday we have a bunch of like t-shirts and stuff that are going on sale. I don't have any pictures of said t-shirts. I don't have anyone to like model them or anything like that. And I kind of wanted to switch to a different thing anyway, where I take a picture of them on a hanger, but that's not as cool if I just, you know, just put them against here, take a picture on a hanger. It doesn't look as cool. So I go down to my friend's unit to take the pictures, but where the t-shirts have been folded up into bags, they're probably creased, so we're gonna iron them. I don't actually normally iron my t-shirts. They're all kind of like, does anyone iron their t-shirts? I don't know. I don't know if that was the most random start to a video ever, but now we're going to go down the unit, we're going to get some pictures of the t-shirts, and we've got a couple of other bits as well. So yeah, and we're actually taking the polo today, so that'll be fun. It's getting pretty chilly. It's getting to that time of year that you literally cannot leave without a sweater, and that's why, no, just in general, it's actually cold. We're gonna go to the unit now, and then I have to, I really have to clean this because it's been sitting in there for a week. I've actually been good recently because it went about 3 months without even being cleaned or used. Fitted a new sun strip, got it MOT'd, and I like it again. Although actually after next weekend I'm planning on actually taking this off the road and doing an engine swap in it. So yeah, that'll be good videos. They won't just be boring ones like this. Anyways, let's go. It's about 20 minutes away, so we should probably get the driving. And I'd like to say, oh, that's a great camera placement. But the second I actually accelerate, I'll show you. Ready? Oh wow, oh, I actually stayed there, that's pretty bad. Alright, let's see how long this stays here for. There it is. Just casually trying to find somewhere to take pictures of a couple of t-shirts that will look cool. That will look pretty cool. This is the paint booth for parts. That could be cool. But other than that, I don't want to show too much of the unit because it's all of their stuff. This may be a bit of a one-sided statement, but tell me this isn't the coolest thing ever. Again, that could be pretty biased, but hey, I'd rock it. People keep saying it's The Simpsons, but it's actually Yellow Guy 1 and Lady with Blue Hair. I don't know what they're referring to when they say The Simpsons, so yeah. Alright. I did it. I took a bunch of pictures. I actually ended up using my iPhone because I can't use a camera for shit. Look, Dave's down there today. He's fixing a window in a Skoda. Or am I? He hasn't. That's more broken. He's yet to fix a window in a Skoda. I'll show you the couple of places I took the pictures. Not that it matters. Just trying to make content here. One was here. Like right here is really good between that. I don't know if I have to blur that or whatever. And then here there's a little reminder for when Dave used to go to college. And then I took it in there, which is a pretty cool place. I took one using this bad boy because I thought this would be a cool background here, but you couldn't really see the background, so it's pointless. And then the last one I took inside Dave's Volvo, which is a weird choice for a Volkswagen based t-shirt. I get not even Volkswagen, guys, we do everything. Now the best part of this unit is every time I come here, there's unlimited drinks and they're free. This thing just keeps getting topped up. Every time I take one, they start from here. Every time, it's crazy. This is from my sun strip. Yeah. Oops. I won't tidy up. It was only 2 weeks ago. Pictures are kind of done to a point. They're just literally placeholders for the website. Now I also have to clean my car as quick as I can because there's a little show called OhSoRetro on tomorrow, and yeah, the car's super dusty and a bit dirty because the roads are horrible, and yeah, so I have to go and do that. I'm not sure if I'll film it or whatever. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done and before, maybe. Dust. It doesn't look that dirty actually. Well, I hear it. Ew. And he's been sorting his stereo out. It's in bits at the moment, doing like an update because the screen won't work. But one thing he showed me earlier, he's got a DVD player. Install. It's an install and a half. Something to be jealous of. But you see, I don't know if you'll be able to spot the DVD player in the back. So just see if you can see it. You've hidden it so well. Where is it?
Yeah, the thing is, it's tight. It's built in. Yeah, just like the sub, so it's built in,
yeah,
just to look factory.
Right.
So it was just tucked in. So trying to make it as factory as it possibly could be. So idea is it's just sunken in.
Oh, is that it?
Yeah, there you go. So.
What? I didn't even notice it. The pure quality of some of these builds nowadays it blows my mind. Blows my mind. Right. That's it. I'm going home. Thanks for your help, Andy.
Right.
I'm kind of ending this a day later. It's been an entire day since I cleaned my car. I've already been to OhSoRetro. I did definitely want to film some of it actually, because again, it's a fun time. It's the only show that I've been to every single one of, if you know what I mean. In the last 5 years I've been to every single one. This car's been to every single one. So I was just like, oh, this year, there's just something that changes my mind at like 5 AM when I'm waking up. It was raining for most of the day, especially in the morning, and I think that's probably why. If I had got my camera out this morning in the rain and just braved it, then I would have done a whole vlog. Yeah, so been there, it was good. Car is now dirty again, but next week I'm going to another car show, so I'll clean it before then. And yeah, don't forget there's loads of stuff that's dropped or dropping on stardubs.co.uk at 6 PM on Monday the 1st of October. No, Monday the 30th of September. Yeah, go do a buy or just look at it. Tell me what you think, or don't. Just hit like or something on this video, please. See you later.